to determine the ratio for cos 90 degree. And don't forget, I told you before that we can add up two angles together to give 90. I told you that before when we were learning the one of sine 90 degree. Okay, we can still do the same thing here. It means that we can still have 45 degree plus 45 degree. Okay, now we can apply an identity for this. We can apply an identity. It simply means that cos 45 degree cos 45 degree. Okay, remember I told you for sine the addition will not change. Now we are dealing with cos now, the addition will change. Become minus. Okay, we now have sine 45 degree, sine 45 degree. Now what can we do again? We need to determine the ratio for cos 45 degree. We have 1 over 2, 1 over 2. Okay, the same thing applies to cos 45 because they have the same ratio. The second one, they are the very one. Okay, I still have 1 over root 2. 1 over root 2. Okay, now, sine 45 has the same ratio with cos 45. Therefore, I will still have 1 over root 2. Okay, the same thing again, I will have 1 over root 2. Now, what can we do? Looking at the fraction, we have a surd at the denominators. Remember, I told you whenever you have a fraction, there is a surd at the denominators. Simply rationalize. Now, for this one, now I need to rationalize this very first one. I will have 2 over 2. Okay, I still have this one. I have 2 over 2. Okay, I have this one. I have 2 over 2. Okay, I still have this last one there, 2 over 2. Okay, now what can we do now? What can we do? We need to now multiply the numerators and also the denominators. For this first part, this very first one, I need to multiply the numerators. I will have root 4. Okay, for this one, I will have 4. This one will also give me root 4 over 4. Okay, I can still move on. For this one, I can have, because this one is a perfect square root 4, I will have 2 over 4. For this one, I will still have 2 over 4. Okay, now what next now? We can reduce. We can reduce this very fraction, this very one, we can reduce it to lower form. Okay, it means that there is something that can, there's a number that can divide 2. There will not be remainder. The same thing applies to 4. Meaning 2 here is 1, 2 here will be 2. Okay, therefore I will have 1 over 2. The same thing applies to this. 2 here is 1, 2 here is 2. I will have 1. Okay, please here is minus. Please take note of that. Here is minus. Okay, I still have 1 over 2. 1 over 2. This is what I have. I have 1 over 2. Now looking at it now, we have half. That 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2. And at the end, we are going to have 0. Meaning here will be 0. We are going to have 0 here. Okay? You can use your calculator to confirm this very one. Get your calculator. Have the value of 90 degree. Simply get the value of 90 degree. Therefore, you are going to obtain 0. We are going to have 0. You can see now we are able to apply the ratio for 45 for this very one under the application of SURDS. And therefore, we are able to obtain 0 at the very final position. Thank you for joining me on the platform, Jimmy Jumbo Online Mathematics. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mathematics Science Mega Tutorial. All the best.